Hello students, I'm just going to talk briefly about using Credo Reference. Credo Reference is a really helpful tool that the library has. You've got 24/7 online access to it. And we like to call it sort of the nerdy version of Wikipedia that the library has access to. What it is it's a resource that has a lot of mostly encyclopedia articles, but some dictionary articles as well. These are specialized encyclopedia articles, not just basic like Britannica. But it has a lot of basic information about your topic. So it's a really useful resource because it provides background information on your topic, but it also has a really helpful feature called a mind map, which helps you to narrow your topic. So this is a really good research to know about because it's going to help you narrow your topic and focus your research. It's also going to give you background information on your topic. So first of all, how do you get to this resource? Like I said, it's available 24/7, anywhere you have an internet connection. The best way to get to it is if you're in your course shell. I'm just in an English 109 course shell right now. All of your course shells, whatever class you're taking, they're going to have a link to the library. So you want to get to the library website. You don't want to Google Credo Reference. You don't want to get to it that way. You want to actually go to the library website to get to this resource. So you can either click on the library tab on the left-hand side in your course shell. Another thing I tell students to do is you literally can Google just SFCC library. Should be the first set of results that come up. Another thing that you can do, of course, is you can go directly to the URL. It's just www.sfcc.edu/library. So once you're on the library website, you're going to scroll down a little bit. There are a couple of different ways that you can get to it. You can either click on all databases and periodicals and click on the A to Z database list. And so, it's an alphabetical list. So you'll just scroll down to the C's and click on Credo Reference. But, we have it right here kind of front and center. It's a reference database. So we have it listed under the reference databases. So you can just click on Credo Reference. So when you're off campus and you click on that, you'll be taken to a login screen. And here you'll just put in your MySFCC username and password. So this is a screen you should be taken to. It's the basic search screen of Credo Reference. One thing you want to keep in mind when you're getting ready to type in your topic is you want to keep it short and simple. This is not the kind of search box where you can type in a full question. So you need to keep your topic to like a 1 or 2 or maybe a 3-word topic. Sometimes the database will have, certain phrases that they'll use. One of the examples I'm going to use is a little longer phrase than just a 2 or 3 word topic, but you really want to keep that topic very simple. Okay, so I'm going to, let's say I'm interested in immigration in the United States. Okay, so I start typing in immigration, and so this is one of the few exceptions. That's a total of 5 words right there, but basically, 2 concepts here, immigration and the United States. You can see these others that they've only got 2 words in them: immigration policy, immigration law, immigration reform. So a lot of times you can start typing in like the first major word of your topic and you'll get some suggestions. So I'm going to click on immigration to the United States. And so when you hit search, and sometimes just depending on what computer you're on, you may need to click on that little magnifying glass to the right of the search bar. Okay, so all this information comes up. One of the most useful things is on the right here. This is what we call the mind map. So this can be really helpful. I'm going to open this up. This can be really helpful for helping you to narrow your topic. So you've got your topic in the middle here, immigration to the United States, and you've got all these subtopics around it. Okay, so if you want to focus on the history of immigration to the United States, illegal immigration, you can do that, and just human migration in general. And so what you can do is you can actually click on any one of these and you can sort of interact. I'm going to click on illegal immigration and you'll watch it change. So that will become the central topic. So now immigration to the United States is the central topic. Okay, and our original topic or immigration to the United States is now down here, and so what we just clicked on, illegal immigration, now becomes the central topic, and so you've got subtopics related to that. So you can really kind of go down the rabbit hole here, but it's really good because it can kind of help you do some brainstorming. Okay, so now you've got all these wonderful, we've, limited our topic, narrowed it down a little bit, illegal immigration. So now we've got these encyclopedia articles that give us just a basic overview of that topic. So this is an encyclopedia article called Illegal Immigration Reform and Immigrant Responsibility Act, and it's coming from an online encyclopedia called the Encyclopedia of North American Immigration. We've got immigration, illegal and irregular, from Global Social Issues, an encyclopedia. Okay, so these are not, as you can see, now that's a pretty long article actually for an encyclopedia, 5,000 words. Okay, this one is just a very basic entry, 450 words. Okay, so it kind of spans the gamut from very basic information to, maybe not a full-fledged book chapter, but, more substantial information. This is probably a little more average, about between 1,500 and 2,000 words that you're going to see in terms of how long these articles are. So this is a much better, more vetted source than, say, Wikipedia. Wikipedia is a fine place to go to when you're initially starting your research, but most of your instructors are not going to let you use that as a source. Instructors sometimes will let you use this resource as one of your listed sources, but this is just a great way to kind of get an overview of your topic and to narrow down your topic and get background information on it. So I'm going to click on one of these articles and actually go into it just to kind of show you some of the cool things you can do. If you're just learning MLA citation, what's really nice to know is all of our databases, not just Credo Reference, but all of our databases have a way to grab that pre-made, ready-generated citation. And so that's going to be up here. Some databases will have that citation icon listed down the right-hand side. But you can click on this and it will pull up a list. It defaults to APA, but we're going to click on MLA because that's the citation format that we want. You can go ahead. It is perfectly okay to copy and paste that. Oops, I didn't get all of that. It is perfectly okay to copy and paste that into your works cited list. So you don't have to generate that citation by yourself. You want to double check it. You can use the OWL at Purdue Online or whatever books that you have to double check it and make sure that it is an accurate citation. But by and large, our databases are pretty good. Sometimes you have to do a little bit of cleanup work. You've got to do the formatting on your own, the double spacing and the hanging indent. We can help you with that. The Tutoring Center can help you with that, but it's nice to know that that feature is there so you can grab that citation. So here is the article itself. Also down at the bottom, there's that citation information. Again, we'll click on MLA. So this is really nice to know about. Up here, if you're in a place where you can print the article, you can do that as well. And then there's some other things that you can click on. So this is just a really nice, neat resource. Wanted to give you just kind of a basic introduction to Credo Reference.